The cheapest door on this weekend's tour is asking $1,018 a square foot. The biggest house on it is asking $632. This is BDR Weekly. Every Friday, we take the Bay Area news that moves money, the finding our own numbers turned up, and the doors worth your weekend. Subscribe. This runs every Friday. Headlines first, then what we learned, then 3 open houses. And stay for the last door. About 3,500 square feet of house on a 2,500-foot lot. San Francisco and Peninsula prices climbed through July while the country stalled. That is a national brokerage's own report. They're figures, not ours. The city's median single-family price landed just over $2 million, up 25%. Listings down 40. Fewer doors, the same money. But in Menlo Park, prices rose while volume fell 38%. That is scarcity, not demand. If you own on the peninsula, thin inventory is your leverage until your neighbors decide the same. 2 leases landed in West Oakland last week. Jeff Bezos put his artificial intelligence startup, Project Prometheus, into 100,000 square feet at the American Steel Blocks. A day later, Elon Musk signed Tesla into 40,000 more. Research and development rents there rose almost 13% on a commercial data provider's second quarter figures, while ordinary industrial rents did not. The premium is for power, not floor space. 2 independent Bay Area brokerages just became one. Vanguard Properties is buying Abio Properties, and the Abio name retires. By their own account, this was not about giving up independence, but about finding scale to protect it. The reason is cost, insurance, compliance, technology, liability. So this will not be the last. If you are listing in the East Bay, the number of independent firms competing for your listing just dropped by 1. Our own numbers did something unexpected. We ran every residential parcel in 2 San Francisco communities, 6,600, and got the same answer twice. The homes whose owners live in them assess for less than the ones whose owners do not. In the first, 756,000 against 939. Those are not cheaper houses. Those owners held 21 years against 14, and Proposition 13 froze the number where they bought. The second community came back the same. So an assessed value here does not tell you what a home is worth. It tells you when somebody bought it. You inherit the reset, not their base year. You will not find that on a listing. Follow along, and the next one lands in your feed. 9 doors this weekend around Richmond districts in San Francisco on Saturday the 22nd and Sunday the 23rd of August. We feature here just 3. The full list, the times, and the route are in the description. One thing is true of all 9, not one of them has cut its price. Pick a side, small and central at $1,000 a foot, or big and western at $600. Tell us which you would ride on, and which community we run next. 522 26th Avenue is being sold as a private rear cottage. 64 days, and the price has never moved, while everything else here listed inside 3 weeks. 980 square feet, over $1,000 a foot. The way-in crosses the neighbor's lot. 2532 Cabrillo Street is the opposite. 1941, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. The listing does not pretend otherwise. A classic stove and a built-in ironing board. 7 days in, no offer date. About $850 a foot, more than 2 updated 4 bedrooms here. We are asking if the lower level is permitted. 6427 California Street. $3.5 million, sold as peace of mind. Down to the studs, every system new, a refrigerator with a camera inside so you can check it from the store. 9 days in, and disclosures are still coming soon. On a gut rebuild, the paperwork IS the product. Then the shape, about 3,500 square feet of house on a 2,500 foot lot. The only door whose listing describes no yard. We are going in for the permit history. Next video, Hayes Valley Part 3, what is for sale and what the market is doing. Before the weekend, the route is in the description. The rest is on our website. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers. You make the call.